Suppose if you are in Microsoft Excel and if you want to insert a new worksheet or spreadsheet, then you can see here sheet 1 2 3. Suppose if you want to insert a new worksheet or spreadsheet, then you can use this f11 key. So what is the use of f11 key is discussed in this video. So by clicking this f11 key and shift key, you can insert new worksheet. For doing this, you can press this shift key. One of your fingers should be in this shift key and another finger is in this f11 key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that here one more sheet arrived, sheet 4. Again, if you want one more, you must do the same procedure, that is press this shift key and f11 key at the same time. See, the sheet 5 are being created. So if you follow this keyboard shortcut, you can create new worksheets in Excel. For more videos, you can subscribe.